Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best slow masticating juicers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Omega Slow Masticating Juicer. This slow juicer ensures minimal oxidation, heat buildup, foaming and clogging. The slow masticating juicing also produces a higher juice yield compared to centrifugal juicers in addition to an amazing tasting juice. The H3000D juicer also has a low noise level and dishwasher safe parts, making cleanup simple. The consuming healthy nutrients helps to improve sleep and energy levels for a productive preserved. As a natural immune booster, Omega cold press juicers deliver a potent dose of antioxidants to boost and support overall health and immunity. The cold press juicing is one of the most effective ways to easily access nutritious enzymes that help to improve immunity and overall health. At number 5 we have Omega Slow Masticating Juicer. Omega nutrition systems are masticating-style juice extractors and more. A masticating juicer juices at low speeds of 80 rpm, minimizing heat buildup and oxidation. The auger system forces produce into a tight chamber, grinding and pressing the food to squeeze out the juice from items as fine as wheatgrass and leafy vegetables. With the nutrition system you can also make all-natural nut butters, baby food, soy milk, almond milk and a variety of healthy snacks. The adjustable end cap features 3 settings to get the most juice out of your fruits, vegetables and leafy greens. The adjustable end cap has settings for maximum juice output and extraction. At number 4 we have Kuvings Slow Masticating Juicer. Kuvings' patented 50 rpm low-speed masticating technology will extract the maximum vitamins, minerals and enzymes. It crushes the food, then presses it to produce the highest yield without aerating it. The 82 mm wide feeding chute allows for larger ingredients without cutting, which means less prep time. The chrome-plated drip-free juice spout helps create mixed juices and to rinse between recipes. The 240 watts motor is powerful, durable and works quietly. The larger pulp outlet duct allows more pulp to be released, therefore leaving less pulp residue in the strainer. The upper part of pulp outlet is opened and the width is wider than the previous models, letting fine residue to be cleaned up easily. Number 3 we have Qvin Slow Masticating Juicer. With a streamlined design that includes smooth curves that gradually become slimmer in the back, the HAA brings you stylish yet modern beauty. The HAA rotates at a speed of just 43 revolutions per minute. Designed, this patented slow squeeze technology ensures your juice retains all of its natural nutrients. The HAA comes with a control lever and fine and coarse strainers that allow you to control the amount of pulp to suit your taste. The HAA also has the ability to create ice cream with frozen ingredients. At number 2 we have Omega Slow Masticating Juicer. The vertical cold press 365 masticating juicer runs at a slower speed, which lets the juicer stay cooler for greater nutrient preservation. It is this cold press technology that allows for fruit and vegetable juices that are higher in vitamins, enzymes and antioxidants. The powerful 3-stage auger extracts every last drop of juice for greater output with less foam and better taste. It features safety interlock. Lock must be fully engaged for juicer to operate. The juice anytime without disturbing anyone, because the operation is quieter than most juicers. Once you are done, cleanup is a breeze with a quick sink rinse. At number 1 we have Qvin Slow Masticating Juicer. The 76 mm wide feeding chute allows for larger ingredients with less cutting, which means less prep time and also helps to reduce oxidation. The drip-free juice spout helps create mixed juices and to rinse between recipes. The compact size is a convenient space-saving alternative to other centrifugal juicers. Citrus juicer juice extractor. It is BPA-free material, easy to assemble and operate and easy to clean. The patent auger upgraded spiral system and 60 to 80 revolutions per minute low speed, which perfectly separates the pomace from the juice and extracts the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables into juice. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best slow masticating juicers for your need.